Hello, Math 12 students. Here's the home page with the new week's module button, week 12. So we have left week 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and that's it. So I'm betting you're going to finish strong because that's all we have left, 5 weeks. So when you click on that button, it takes you to the modules area. And if you give it a moment, I have all of my week modules closed except week 12. And the button takes you right to week 12, even if you have the other ones open. So I just want to show you what's in the module. This video is going to be available once I finish it at this button, and I'll also send it to you. Then there, as always, are 2 quick quizzes and a shine quiz. And then there's a discussion board and a journal. And then this week's Newton assignments, there are 6 rather than 7. There have been 7 because we had to keep pushing to get everything done by the end of the semester. So we have 19.4, 20.1, and 20.2 are due on Monday. And then 20.3, 21.1, and 21.2 are due on Thursday. And then in each module, I'm giving you what I call a crosswalk that says Newton section 19.4 is found in the Sullivan textbook section 6.5 and in the OpenStax textbook in section 6.5. So there's a worksheet for each Newton section that has some problems, and often it will have a box with some useful information. So I want you to view that worksheet. Then I have videos for some of the worksheets, and this one is one I have a video for. So you can click on that video and work through the worksheet with me with the video if you like. And then I have 2 videos that are the Sullivan text section 6.5. And if you want to follow along with the notes that are being used in that video, they're right here, the notes for Sullivan 6.5. And then I have a link to the OpenStax free textbook that's available to you. So then 20.1 and 20.2 really go together in other textbooks. They're only separate in Newton. So I've grouped them together and they go with the Sullivan textbook section 6.6 and the OpenStax textbook section 6.6. So each of these sections have a worksheet, and then I also have videos that go with the worksheets, as well as a video from the Sullivan text along with the notes that go with that video. And then here's the link to the free textbook. And then Newton 20.3 is the end of the exponentials and logarithms, and there's a video to go with the worksheet. Then there's a video that goes with the Sullivan textbook and notes that you can follow along, and then the link to the OpenStax free textbook section that corresponds. Then we're going to begin on conic sections, and so I have a handout about conic sections that I've made available for you here. And 21.1 and 21.2 are parabolas centered at the origin and not centered at the origin. And these can be opening up, down, right, or left because we're now thinking of them as geometric shapes and not as functions. So the sideways opening parabolas are not functions. And then I have videos to go with those worksheets, and videos that go with the same information in the Sullivan text along with notes that correspond to those Sullivan videos if you want other outside sources to reference. And then here's the link to the OpenStax free textbook. So make sure to ask if you have any questions at all. I really do enjoy working with students. I'm happy to do individual Zoom sessions if that would help you. There won't be Zoom sessions on Wednesday this week as that is a Sierra College holiday. It's Veterans Day. And if you are a veteran, thank you so much for your service. So hope you have a great rest of your weekend, and I'm looking forward to seeing all your great work this week.